Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I know it's pretty insane, literally Cali Creaming in Fresno was actually just this weekend. It's barely Monday and we're already gonna go ahead and take this thing back in to get some more work done. Like I said, there's still more to be done. This is very much phase one. We pretty much got it ready just to go into the show, have a good time. Again, I had an amazing time, so if you haven't checked out the video, definitely go ahead and check it out. But right now, we're actually gonna go ahead and drop this thing back off, like I said. I also have a pair of shoes that just sold, so I need to go ahead and drop those off. Although I have really missed having this car back in the driveway, it is gonna go ahead and be missed again. At this point in time, I'm still trying to go ahead and get the braking miles for the Cobra. So again, stay tuned for all of that, because we still have a lot of stuff to do on that car as well. So just pull up to Unleashed Motorsports. Again, a huge shout out to Unleashed for helping us out. We're gonna go ahead and hop into the Q50 right now, but first I wanna go ahead and just look at the S550 one more time in the current state. So again, this was actually never supposed to be out in this particular phase right here, but again, I am definitely looking forward to seeing once it's all complete at 110%, which that is the goal. You go ahead and just see, it just looks really good right now. Yeah, I am super happy with that color choice. So that is actually the last time we're gonna go ahead and see in that current state. So we'll go ahead and come back when there's a little bit of progress, hopefully for the first cut, I should say. So again, obviously the thumbnail, title of the video should all be there. However, for me, I'm obviously sharing my experience as it's happening. So just loading up on that E85 as we're gonna go ahead and head on to Unleashed Motorsports to see the bagged and boosted SI50. So just show up to Unleashed Motorsports, you go ahead and see, this is the first look at, we're pretty much having it with the kit on. Obviously it's taped, but we're gonna go ahead and cut into it. And this thing already does look insane, especially with how much this gap is gonna be right here. Definitely gonna need some bigger wheels, but probably gonna run spacers in the meantime. But damn, this looks good. Take it off then, or? Yeah, you just pull the feet. So the camera did actually die, but we went ahead and did the first cut. You go ahead and see, definitely at the point of no return. But again, I'm super stoked to see how this thing's gonna turn out. So definitely stay tuned to the end of the video to see the before and after, because at this point, again, there's no returning. And as always, a huge shout out to Unleashed Motorsports for hooking us up and getting this thing looking right. All right, so I'm gonna be heading out right now. We got the first piece, taking it as a souvenir pretty much. And then we have the Shelby GT500 right here as the daily driver. This thing is crazy. So we're back at Unleashed Motorsports right now. The kit is pretty much on. There's still obviously a ton of work to get done, but we're gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit more of the progress right now. So again, there's definitely some more adjustments that are gonna need to go ahead and take place before obviously we can pick it up. However, I definitely have been enjoying coming over here and just looking at the progress and showing y'all and sharing that progress with you. Now, the title of the video didn't already tell you, this is a Lions wide body kit, so very happy with how it's coming along. Again, I cannot wait to see it after everything is complete, when it's all wrapped up all together. And we went ahead and go ahead and see we are missing some decals. We did actually separate from Could Be Mob just because I want to go ahead and focus on the builds a little bit more intensively. I have nothing but love for Could Be, but at the same time, I definitely needed to separate a little bit. I know my vision was a little bit different compared to what they were going for. So at the end of the day, like I said, got to do what's best here and go ahead and focus on the car a little bit more. So we'll be go ahead and coming back in a few days to go ahead and pick it up, hopefully. So as you can see from the background there, it is pretty much the mid-November time frame right now, but we're finally gonna go ahead and pick up the bagged and boosted and wide-bodied S550. So we just pulled up to Unleashed Motorsports, so again, a huge shout out to them. I honestly already peeked at it, obviously, because we just pulled up, but oh my, dude, I cannot believe this has finally got to this point. She's looking so damn thick. Again, we are finally complete with the wide body, bagged and boosted. We are running some big old spacers back here, so that way it looks complete. We definitely do need to get a different wheel set just so it can fit just a little bit better and obviously be a little bit safer without having to deal with big old spacers. But this thing looks insane. And yes, we were still able to incorporate the GT500 front bumper. It did take a little bit of maneuvering, however, I think it was well worth it. So I'm not gonna do a crazy walk around right now. This is pretty much it. Just for right now, we're gonna go ahead and actually head on home because there is supposed to be crazy rain and pouring. That's why it's obviously just dirty right now, because it has been sprinkling today. But I will look forward to doing this when there is some sun outside, so that way we can go ahead and finish this video off. But dude, this thing is so insane. I am so damn happy right now. Again, huge shout out to Unleashed Motorsports for taking care of us and getting this car looking this beautiful. So it's good to be back on air suspension. Crazy. So here we have the freshly wide-bodied S550, and honestly, I'm just so damn happy to have this car back, first of all. But also at the same time, now you can go ahead and see the wrap. I know a lot of people were questioning the color of it, but to be honest with you, when it was so sleek, you really couldn't see the color shift. But now with the wide body with the extra added curves, you can start to see a little bit more of what that wrap's potential was. So looking from the back corner over here, you can see how thick she really is, lifting up a little bit. I don't know if you could see that, but we got a new little item over there that stay tuned for those videos because I'm super stoked about that. So again, a huge shout out to Joe from Unleashed Motorsports for helping us out and getting this all situated, looking real fresh. So pretty much we got the wrap done. Obviously this is a Lions wide bodied again. Also we were able to rock spacers. I believe it's like a half an inch or inch in the front. In the back over here it's 2 inches solid. So definitely gonna need a different wheel set at some point in the near future. Not really sure when we're actually gonna get the new wheels, just because I don't mind the wheels that are on the car right now and running the spacers, because I'm not really gonna be driving this car too aggressively anytime soon. And with the new arrival, that's pretty much gonna be my daily for right now, and this is actually gonna be a Estrellas daily for now. So that's actually gonna be the end of the wide body video. Again, stay tuned for that. I'm super happy to have that car back, but also stay tuned for this right here. And as you guys can go ahead and tell, there's definitely a lot of content to come. So again, if you're not yet subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because honestly my upload schedule is all over the place. But if you're not yet following me on TikTok, I'm a little bit more active on there, so definitely follow me on there as well. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.